Hi all, so it's a Friday and I've got some time off of work. I'm going to do a little bit more on the Firenza. So in the last video you saw me do a test fit of the engine and found out that it didn't fit. There's a few areas that I'm going to have to cut out. But before I start cutting into the shell, I want to put some strength in it so nothing moves, doesn't go all wibbly when I cut stuff out. So in order to do that, I bought myself a new Milwaukee bandsaw because I was sick of cutting everything with a hacksaw by hand. I've got some steel. I'm going to make an X brace to fit between the doors. So what I'll do is I'll take the doors off and I think I'll just use the hinge mounting points and some angle iron and make an X brace. So let's get started with that. So the plan here is just to use my transmission jack to hold up the door whilst I unbolt it. I'm just going to take it straight off at the hinges, so there's 3 bolts up there and 3 bolts down there at the bottom side. Right, so I'm going to use these bolt holes here to make an angle iron plate to fit on there and one to fit down here. And I'll take this out and I'll use that to make the other plate to go on here. So I've got all the brackets done, it's time to start fitting them up. So I think I've managed to put some strength back into the shell. I've got my bracing going across from the door, from the hinges to the striker here, and I've put an X brace across the middle. So hopefully that's put some strength back in. I'm obviously lacking from, you know, the A pillars being rotted out, having a sunroof. So there's no real strength in this front part of the car, and there's going to be even less when I start to cut the firewall out. I've marked out the firewall here and I've drilled some holes to start off. So next up is to cut this out with the body saw.
Na 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 na.